So now it's a chore to get old Claire Bear to come in. Come on, baby. Come on. One more time. All right, you're letting the leaves in now. Do any of you living with Pomeranians have this same type of trouble? Every time I open the door to let her in, she runs away. I don't know why this is. A little backstory. Wife and I did have a rug here that went over and got into the other room, but we've taken that up. So now it's a chore to get old Claire Bear to come in. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, she's telling you to come in. Right, Abby? Yeah, see, do it just like Abby. And then Abby just walks right in. Can you do that? Try this again. She walks up. And see if she jumps in this time. And she won't come in. So, if any of you experience this, can you please let me know down in the comments what you've done to make this work. One more time. All right, you're letting the leaves in now. Come on, Claire. All right, help me out. Thanks.
Miss Roxy.
Again, one more time. There's that. Oh, no. All right. It's been about 15-20 minutes now. Crumbs are gone. We could thank Abby for that.
What's that?
And then, look at this. The girl decided she was tired, so she's back down on her perch. You love sitting there, don't you? Did you give up coming in? Did you? Alright, getting cold out here. Later. So here we are the next day. Think she'll come in? I put a carpet here for you, so you can come in. No?
No.
As soon as she sees me, she walks away. Why? Why are you walking away? Let's try this. Come on. Now you remember I put this carpet here for you this morning so you could run right in. Are you kidding me? Oh, she might come in. Watch this. She might come in. Watch. Okay, come on. Are you kidding me? Really? Here she comes. No, are you kidding me? Alright, never mind.